Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can loop a song on Spotify, so let's get right into it. I'll be explaining this for both mobile and PC, and it is very easy to do it on both. Looping songs is basically just making a song play again and again without the need to click back on it so that it plays again. You can do this for a variety of reasons. If you want to loop it, it is very easy to do. And to do this on mobile, you just need to play the song that you wish to loop, and you'll, well, of course, have this playback screen with the album cover, the title, the authors, whatever, and you'll have this playback bar, and below it you'll have the pause button, the fast forward or back up, or call the buttons whatever you want, or switch to the previous, switch to the next. You'll have the shuffle option, and you'll have the loop option. If the loop option or icon is white, as you can see here, it is a pair of arrows going into a circle. If it is white, it is off, and you just need to click on it, and once it's on, it will be green and it'll have a green dot beneath it. And that is pretty much how you loop a song on mobile. Now, you can click it again and a one icon will appear, and it will pretty much mean that the audio or the song will loop once, and that should be it. Now, to do this on PC, again, you just play the song that you want, and at the bottom of your screen, you'll have the playback screen, and you just locate the same icon with the two arrows going in a circle. You just tap on that or click on that, and then that will enable you to loop the song. And that is pretty much all there is to it. It is a very easy thing to do, and yeah, hopefully now you'll know how to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.